In this part, we are going to talk about the new update we had on Eti Image plugin, the new features we added, and the new AI provider we added, and it made it much cooler. So if you're ready, let's begin. So let's talk about the new changes we had on Eti Image plugin. First of all, over the past couple of days, we had major problems, major errors regarding using Nano Banana Pro. And the reason is, I don't know, it is from Replicate. So normally when we are using Eti Image plugin in Photoshop, we connected it to Replicate. And as you can see, for Nano Banana Pro, we had lots and lots of errors. And the errors were saying that their servers are busy. And I don't know what is the issue from their end exactly, but it's been like this for, I think now it is a week that it is like this. So a couple of days ago, I updated Eti Image plugin and I added a new AI provider, and that is Kie. So for that, you need to come to Kie website, Kie.ai. I will put the link down in the description. And by the way, for those of you who don't have Eti Image plugin, I will also put the link down in the description. You can directly use many different AI models inside Photoshop, do many advanced stuff, restore old images, make them cool, and many features. So let's continue. First, you need to come to Kie.ai website and create an account. After you created your account, come to billing and add some credits. You can select $5, $50 or more. I suggest for starting, you can add $5 and you can generate many images with $5, and you can select the payment method that you want and continue. After you added credits, then you need to go to API keys from the left menu. Come here to API keys, then click on create new key, and then select a name based on your own preferences. For example, I'm going to name it test. Then click on create, and it will create an API token for you. Here is your token. All you need to do is to click on copy from here, or this is my new key. I can come here and click on this icon and it will copy it for me. Then all you need to do is to come to Eti Image plugin, go to settings, and on the first tab, which is API, here we have replicate, we have free peek, and then if you scroll down, here we have Kie.ai API. So come here on Mac, use Command V, or on Windows, Control V to paste the key here, and then click on save. So if I go back to API keys, here we can see it is connected, right? So now we can use Kie.ai on two AI model right now, and one of them is Nano Banana Pro and the other one is Seedream 4.5. So how we can use it? When you activate each of these AI models, if you scroll down to their setting, at the top of the setting, you can select the provider. You can select replicate, then it will connect to replicate and generate the image for you. If you select Kie.ai, it will use Kie to generate images for you. Now, beside that, Kie has very high success rate. It is also much cheaper than replicate. So here, for example, for Seedream 4.5, there isn't much differences, but on replicate, it costs 4 cents. On Kie, it is cost almost 3 cents. But the major difference, it is in Nano Banana Pro. In Nano Banana Pro, if you use replicate, for 1K and 2K images, you need to spend 15 cents. And for 4K images, you need to spend 30 cents for one image. But on Kie, it is almost 60% cheaper. So you spend 9 cents for 1K and 2K. And for 4K, you spend 12 cents. So the 4K here is much cheaper than 1K or 2K on replicate. Anyway, you select Kie and then you set your settings, for example, 4K, match input, PNG, and so on. Write your prompt and click on generate. So right now, both of them are active. And here I wrote down an image of a ninja warrior turtle fighting with monsters. And below we can see the process started. Now to check on Kie how the process is going, you can come here, and here on the left menu we have logs. Just click on it. Under logs, you can see the markets, and here are all the images that you generate. So now if I refresh it, we should see the new ones running, and let's wait for it to complete. So this one, Seedream 4.5, was successful, and here is the result. And Nano Banana Pro is still generating. Now, one thing let me tell you, here also you can get errors, but the success rate is much higher. Meaning if you just get an error, try it again a couple of more times. It won't charge you if it fails. As you can see, for example, here, it was successful. It charged me 6 credits. But here, because it failed, it didn't charge me anything. So just try it a couple of more times. It's like that their servers are not warm sometimes. And when you just generate, it'll start working and then it won't fail. So Nano Banana Pro is still processing. Sometimes it depends on the quality of the image and it depends on their servers. It may take 1 minute to generate, it may take 5 minutes to generate. Okay, it is still running. And if we look at my previous generations, for example, here, this is Nano Banana Pro. It took 51 seconds to generate it. And if I go to the next page to see more from Nano Banana Pro, you can see 61 seconds, 56 seconds, and it goes this way. So this is generally how it works. It is still loading, I think. Yeah, it is still trying to generate it. While this is generating, let me tell you something, that your images will stay on Kie servers for 14 days. And they keep the information like the prompt. If I come here, I can see some of the information about this generation. They will keep it for 2 months. On Replicate, they will only keep it for 1 hour. So here you have a lot of different advantages. One of them is this. And the result of Nano Banana Pro now is ready. And here's the result. As you can see, this is Seedream 4.5 and this is Nano Banana Pro, and both of them processed on Kie. Now, if you pay attention here, let me just refresh it for you. The first try that I had, which was this one, it is still running. It took so long that I think it crossed 5 minutes, and the plugin retried it, and the second try was successful after 53 seconds. So this is what I'm telling you. Sometimes when you try to generate an image using, especially on Nano Banana Pro, on Kie, it's like that their servers are not warm. So when you try 1 or 2 times, then it gets going well. Okay, so let's try it again. Here I have an old image. I'm just gonna copy it. Oh, sorry, copy the image and come here, create a new file here and paste it. And also, if you want to use Kie for Nano Banana Pro in the Pro tab, if you scroll up here in the fast actions, Nano Banana Pro, here we can select Kie as well. So I'm going to select cracks, restore, colorize, and retouch, 4K, and for provider, here I'm going to select Kie, select the whole image, and click on generate. And now, since we already generated a couple of images using Nano Banana Pro, it should be successful and it should generate it much faster. Now, sometimes it depends on their servers. Maybe some other people are using. So if you just jump in and create and start to generate an image, it will work just fine. But sometimes it would look like this. And at the moment, these are the best options that we have. I really didn't want to add a new provider, AI provider, to the plugin because it may make users a little bit confused. But in this case, because the amount of errors and failures in Nano Banana Pro was so high, I had no other choice. So as you can see, the image is ready. And if we come here and if I refresh it, So as you can see, it generated this image in 59 seconds. So the more I use it, it gets warmer and it gets faster. And right now the size of the image is so low. Let's go to 4000 to see the real quality of Nano Banana Pro. So here it is, and it looks amazing. So mainly these were the new changes that we made on this version of Eti Image. To see all the changes, you can always come to the version here and click on it. Here you can see the changes. For example, we added Kie AI provider, improved Seedream 4.5, improved Nano Banana Pro, and we improved UI, errors, and fast actions, and some bugs, okay? So mainly these were the new changes. Again, if you don't have the plugin, you can get it from the link below, or if you already have the plugin and you just want to update it, go to your account on our website. And the same way you downloaded the plugin the first time, just go to your account and download it again and install it, okay? So that was all. And if you are interested in this kind of videos, do not forget to like and leave a comment. If you have any question about the plugin, if you face any challenges, you can leave a comment. If you have any good ideas about the plugin that you want me to add, you can just tell me in the comments. I will read them and I do my best to add them as soon as possible. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, and I will see you soon on the next video.